To end last week on growing weather concerns. Can the momentum continue? Michelle Rook asked that question in Markets Now.
Greens to the plus side last week, a big up week on a weather rally, and Bryan Doherty with Total Farm Marketing is joining us. And Bryan, like I said, big up week last week. We were up 67 cents on December corn, up $1.38 on November soybeans. If we continue to see hot, dry weather, how explosive could this thing get?
Yes, well, very. We can go back to 2012. We can go back to other drought years where percentage changes. We could argue we're just getting started, but we'll see what Monday brings. So the near term, let's say high that December corn might shoot for would be that 637. That was the October high. So if it breaches $6, expect additional short covering. I think one of the keys to how the market feels is how did it close on Friday? On Friday we closed with a gain right toward the high end of the day. Very strong close, a lot of short covering, a lot of buyers putting kind of their money on the bet that this drier weather extends itself deep into next week or later. And you're starting to really see an earnest money flow out from shorts and money flow in from end users, from speculators who want to take advantage of this rally.
Yeah, and like you said, on Friday, we took out all kinds of overhead resistance areas on the charts. And so you talk about the projections. Is this an opportunity that needs to be sold here from a farmer perspective?
So there's a lot of farmers that we know are probably short on sales. Make sure you get that first 25, 35% of the crop sold on value. Now, the way I would approach this, because it is a weather market, is say, hey, look, we could go out and sell 20 or 30% here.
Right.
Probably a good idea, but probably a better idea to run a trigger point under the market, leave the top side open. If the trigger point's violated, be disciplined enough to sell. But put options are probably your best bet in this environment. Shore the flooring mechanism through the use of a put, and then allow the top side open. Weather could drive this thing a lot further than anybody expects.
All right, thanks for joining us. Bryan Doherty with Total Farm Marketing. That's Markets Now, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up.
To discuss marketing strategies, call 800-334-9779.